What's up, gang? It's your boy Rico and we back with another video, man. Today we're gonna be installing this super dope paddle shifters, man. But before we get the video started, man, make sure you guys go like, comment, share, and subscribe to the videos. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell everybody about the channel, man. But let's get started. Let's go. Alright, guys. So look, today it's a pretty rainy day, but you know that's why I got this ring light that goes on the camera, so that when it's, you know what I'm saying, it's dark and it's dark outside, you know, that ring light goes right on the camera and the video quality is still good. But like I said, this video is not getting stopped because the work is inside the car. So like I said, we got these paddle shifters that are gonna be going in the car. It was between this red ones and like it was like a lot of different colors, and between these red ones and like it was carbon fiber ones, but you know I went with this just regular red ones. They're like, I don't know what you call this, it's not plastic, but it's, you know, it's like steel, you know, or like what you call it, what's that, you know, I forgot the name of it, but it comes with your double-sided 3M tape. So we're gonna go ahead and put this, you know, on this, and then it comes with like an alcohol wipe. Oh, adhesion promoter. So we're gonna go ahead and put this. We're gonna go ahead and put the, like I said, the caution tape. Not the caution tape. I don't know why I got that. The 2M tape on it, on the paddle shifters, and we're gonna go ahead and go outside to the car, inside the car, and do the installation. It's gonna be probably very easy to do. So let's go ahead and put this tape in. Alright, guys, so look, we are in the car, man. I had to run because this rain is hard, man. I try my best to not get the camera wet, but like I said, guys, you know, I got the little ring light, so you know what I'm saying, we can get good quality, guys. So guys, this paddle shifters, you know, I put the tape on already, and guys, the first thing we're gonna do is make sure, you know, we try to get, you know, back up as much as we can, and then also back up, like bring the steering wheel as much as we can, so we have plenty of room to work in, you know. So I backed up all the way, guys, backed up all the way, and now let's go ahead and bring the steering wheel all the way back to see what we can work with, or matter of fact, push it in a little bit. All right, so let's push it in, lock it in, and guys, remind you, I'm only one person, so I'm trying to do my best to, you know, install and figure out how this goes. Okay, so I feel like, okay, so that goes right there. I thought it went like all over here, but it goes right here. So can you guys tell the difference of how it would look if we had both of them on there? That adds an extra aggression to the steering wheel, guys, which is very dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this tape off and try to record and install it at the same time. All right, guys, so look, I got the tape off, and guys, this tape is very sticky, like very strong, so I would recommend you guys, you know what I'm saying, don't, make sure you guys got the plus with the plus and the minus with the minus. So guys, it goes what can you see? So it goes right in the front right here. This is where it goes. So guys, I'm trying to record and focus. Okay, so there we go. Okay. Okay. So guys, that's how it looks. I hope you guys can see it. Guys, this is how it looks from the back, from the side. Oh man, it looks dope. This is a very easy process. Look at this. I'm trying to. You know what? I'm gonna push the steering wheel all the way to the front so you guys can see it. Woo, guys, that adds. Okay, that's dope. Guys, make sure you guys pressing on it so you know it can get stuck to, you know, to the shifter. And it's in there. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Of course, this one's the minus. You know, the minus right there. Yep. So that's the minus with the minus. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tape off. Guys, before I install this other one, there's one thing I forgot to say. This little part, this part, the thicker part, it's, you know, the outer part, you know, because, you know, I'm pretty sure there's somebody else like me who tried to possibly put it like this, which was, you know, dumb, because common sense. But guys, just in case, you know, if you do try to put it like this, you know, it's not the right way, which it will look cool too, you know what I'm saying. But, you know, it is, you know, this is the outer part, so it'll be going like this, like that. But it's a perfect fit, man. Whoever manufactured this, you know what I'm saying, did a great job on doing this. So guys, let's go ahead and install this other side, and let's see how let's take this tape off, and let's see how it looks when it's fully complete. All right guys, the tape is off. Now for the moment of truth, let's go ahead and install this. Okay, that's in the way a little bit. The signal thing's on the way, so make sure you guys move it up. Okay, perfect fit, and squish this bad boy. Ooh, beautiful. Look at this, guys. That looks sick. God, ooh, that is sick. That's crazy. That adds an extra touch to the steering wheel. That's crazy. I should have got the carbon fiber now that I think about it, so that it can match the carbon fiber on the steering wheel. See, bro, I should have just got the. Look at this. I should have got the carbon fiber one so they can match, but that still look dope. Now I got a carbon fiber steering wheel, shift knob, well, red carbon fiber, shift knob, steering wheel, and now a paddle shifter to knock me, like, you know, I'm knocking just well, I've always had them, but still, you know. But yes, y'all, so this is it for this video, guys. This is a very quick video, guys. Hold on, let me show you one more thing, guys. Like, I haven't told you guys, but my car is turboed, man, and it's probably the first turbo Camry, like, it's the first turbo 4-cylinder Camry probably in the nation, man. Like, cause, and you guys ready to see the turbo? I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys my boost gauge and all that. Shee. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I thought I was lying. Turbo, baby. But alright, y'all, this is it for this video, man. Guys, can you see how much this light helps? Guys, if I didn't have this light, this video would be probably very dark. And thanks to this light I bought, you know, I was like, bro, what can I do to help my videos, you know, be, you know, less darker when, you know what I'm saying, when I work inside the garage, or when I, you know, when I work inside the car, or, you know, under the car. And I was like, okay, a ring light, or a LED light for the camera, for, like, you know, that goes on the camera. So guys, let me turn this off. Guys, yes, man, this looks aggressive. Look at this. Look at this. That is very dope. I might black this out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna black it out. I don't like it silver, because everything else is, you know, blacked out in here, in the outside, and this is the only silver part. But yes, guys, this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little quick video, man. Probably not more than 5 minutes. Like I said, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. If any video idea, any questions you guys got, comment down below, and I will try to, you know, tell you guys where I got all my stuff from, and where I got the paddle shifters from. I got this paddle shifters on eBay. It said they was gonna arrive till like July 25th, and today is what, I think June. Today's like June, I think, I don't even know, June 20th, I think, or let me see, let me check. It's like June something, so June 22nd. So they got here a whole month earlier, because I think they said it was gonna get here like June 25th. So we got here a whole day, a month and some days earlier, and that's dope, man. So, all right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Love y'all.